آیا ہے کیا فیصلہ ہوگا اس کے بارے میں بتا دیجیے.
تو 5 لوگوں کو 7 میں سے بیل دی ہے سپریم کورٹ نے. تو ہماری کلائنٹ گلفشہ فاطمہ جو ہیں اینڈ میں کہنا چاہوں گا شکریہ ادا کرنا چاہوں گا ڈاکٹر بشپ منو سنگھوی کا جنہوں نے ان کو کیس کیا ان کو بیل دی ہے 5.5 سال کے بعد. اب ہمیں امید ہے کہ ٹرائل کورٹ ان کو جلدی سے جلدی ریلیز آرڈر کر دے گا جیل سے اور گلفشہ اپنی زندگی آگے جی پائیں گی. سپریم کورٹ نے یہ بھی کہا ہے 2 لوگوں کا عمر خالد اور شرجیل امام کی بیل خارج کرتے ہوئے کہ کیس جلدی سے جلدی چلنا چاہیے اور اگر 1 سال میں سارے پروٹیکٹڈ وٹنس جو ہوتے ہیں اگر وہ ان کا ایگزامینیشن ختم نہیں ہوا تو 1 سال بعد عمر خالد اور شرجیل امام بیل کے لیے پھر اپلائی کر سکتے ہیں.
1 سال سے پہلے نہیں کر پائیں گے وہ؟ جی نہیں.
سپریم کورٹ نے اور بھی کیا کنڈیشنز لگائی ہیں جب یہ بیل گرانٹ کری ہے؟
انہوں نے کہا ہے کہ 12 کنڈیشن اپلائی کری ہیں بٹ ابھی ججمنٹ پورا باہر نہیں آیا ہے تو وہ ہمارے پاس ابھی اویلیبل نہیں ہے کنڈیشن.
It was a long struggle for rest of the accused. In fact, 5 have been granted bail and 2 of them have been given time. In fact, not been granted bail. How do you react to this? What happened in the courthouse? If you could brief us.
So the 5 who have been granted bail, the Supreme Court has said that their culpability, if any, is at a lower level. And for the 2 that have, the Supreme Court has said that we are not commenting on their culpability. But because of the way it is structured, I think them in the fitness of things and judging the Constitution as well as the UAP together, they have said that 1 more year to examine all protected secret witnesses, and even if they can't do that, these 2, Umar Khalid and Sharjeel Imam, can reapply for bail after 1 year. Bail, we are all very happy for them, and frankly, it is 5 years too late, and we hope that they'll be able to go on with their lives.
Ultimately, 5 long years, it was a long struggle. How it went for all of y'all before the courthouse, and in fact, as these 5 have been granted bail, how much big relief it is for y'all?
It is absolutely a relief. Custody is dehumanizing at the best of times, and these are all young people. Some were students when they were arrested, some were going to start a job, and now we hope that they will be able to go on with their lives. So it's a massive relief for them and their families.
So what are the conditions that have been imposed by the court?
We do not know yet. It wasn't read out in open court. The judgment should be made available publicly, I think, in a couple of hours. We will know then.
All right. Thank you.
We hope in a couple of days.
Sir, has the prosecution defined any concrete evidence that links Umar Khalid and Sharjeel Imam to the conspiracy behind the riots?
Again, we have only heard the judgment of the Supreme Court about the conclusions. The reasoning was not read out. Until the judgment comes out in the public domain and is made available to us, we can't comment on that.
So the court has stated that both stand on a qualitatively different footing, Umar
Yes.
Khalid and Sharjeel Imam.
Yes.
How do you see it?
That is the conclusion based on the charge sheets and the arguments made in court. And as I said, we do not know the rationale which the Supreme Court has relied on or the facts they have relied upon to reach a conclusion yet.
All right. Sir, एक single ID